Hey guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this look right here. I created this look for my birthday. So without any further ado, let's get started. So like as always, I'm going to take my clean and moisturized face. I'm going to take this NYX color correcting primer. So for my foundation, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. It's in the shade NC21. And I'm going to take my wet sponge to blend all the foundation together. So now I'm going to take my LA Gold Concealer and applying especially under my eye area, nose, forehead, little bit on my chin just to highlight my face. And again, I'm going to take my same wet sponge to blend all the concealer together. So here I'm taking my loose powder to set the concealer, especially under my eye area to avoid that crease line. So here I'm taking my Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette and taking that color as my first transition color. So now I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and taking that light brown color to darken that crease line. So now I'm going to spraying some MAC Fix spray on my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take that rose gold eyeshadow from the same NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and applying all over my eyelid. So this step is optional, so if you don't like liner you can skip this step. So for me, I'm going to take my Benefit roller liner. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use that same light brown color and again I'm going to add a little bit of dark color just to give that smoky effect. So back to my face, I'm going to contour my face using this Anastasia powder contour kit, especially my cheekbone, jawline and a little bit on my forehead and nose as well. So for the highlighter, I'm going to take this Jeffree Star highlighter. It's in the shade King Tooth and I'm going to highlight my nose, cheekbone and my cupid's bow. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Maybelline matte liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Lover. So this is our final look. I hope you guys like this video and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.